You can reach it, yeah?
I can't reach it, Mommy.
Oh, so you can reach it. That's the purpose, anak. So that once this is for you and for your sister. So it's alright. If you have a higher chair,
But I'll have this, Mommy.
that's a small chair.
In the bedroom. Look at that.
Even this one, it's have a lock. So
Only one lock.
you always lock here.
Mommy,
See?
I can't do it, Mommy. Because I'm number 4 today.
You are 4-year-old.
Yeah, because I
Yeah.
can't reach it anywhere now.
Yeah. So
I'm not a big girl now. I'm a kid.
oh, I thought you're a big girl now. So that your sister not touch all the stuff in there.
Only one. Oh, this is Chantal. This is name is Chantal.
Yeah, because some there is not allowed to put in a mouth.
But I like popcorn.
Need to cook. Yeah, popcorn is
I think
alright.
yeah,
But they
okay.
have some there that need to
Chippy.
cook. Mixed for the food mommy's cook.
And there's a chippies, not chippies for the twins.
The-
No, could he get scratchy?
Mm.
But I want popcorn, Mommy.
Okay.
Yes.